I recently received these 2 Swedish dishcloth sets for a video demonstration. This is the white set of 10, and these are the 3-colored set of 10 dishcloths. You have white, lime green, and pink. When you wet them down, they will actually turn into a very super spongy cloth that will soak up to 20 times its weight. Look at all this water that I got in the first one, and it's able to easily be soaked up. These are dishwasher safe, and they're also safe to put in your washer and dryer. Not only do these wash dishes, but they also can be used to wipe down countertops, stovetops, in your fridge. They can even be used to clean your car and your car's windshield, cleaning your bathroom, along with every single other area that you can think of to clean. They have a high absorbency, are eco-friendly, odor resistant, and you just simply use the scrubby when dry or absorbent like a sponge when wet. You rinse, wring, and repeat. Perfect size to get into all of your pots and your pans to wash. Perfect for getting into all those corners. And because you get so many, you can use one each day of the week and then some.